It was 2014 when the breaking artist Maestro Dan came on the scene with a song, You Are My Girl. And the man just never stopped from there. Maestro.
Near.
Father, what one?
But there I go easy, tell me now.
You know, say I do it.
Yeah.
You know, from school days,
Mm-hmm.
you know, you always freestyle thing about it, and you know, you mentioned say get a sign after, and
Yeah.
you know, but for all I know, scary keep at the store, like you start off.
Yeah man, Maestro Dan, Kingston College 40th cadre said there non-protest, you see me? Where I start from high school, 4th form, so I develop a name for myself in the high school space from 4th form, 5th form. We go viral, what them would call it now, on Facebook. That are me and Pencil, so I was a fan of a lot of these artists first. Then the first recording of me and Pencil, they went viral on Facebook. So people get the name now, familiar with the name, and start put way up as some underground artists. Fast forward, left high school. Immediately after, I was signed to Warrior Chief Productions, which Dale Nelson, champion jockey, as a Waterford man, same scheme and thing. So, him one of the first one them was see the talent and decide say, hey, me push the youth as a scheme, you understand? And him one of the first one them where really make me get exposure. It's like me get training on the big field. So, me I do thing when me don't know how to perform it, me don't know voice. And me have unlimited access to studio and them things. So Dale Nelson, Warrior Chief, him they do all of that, and so comes people start. Makes the name Maestro Dan, I could have start do some music video and them things. Fast forward to about 2018, link up with Egyptian, Right Direction. His role was mentorship and artist development. Again, them man they grant you unlimited access to studio, so I could have voice whenever, anytime, any amount of songs I want to do. More while I'm there present, film input to that be like more melody. Cause people know Maestro for hardcore lyrics and freestyle and then 3-4 syllable thing there. So you know them man they just sharing platform. We travel with him, we go Texas, California, Pennsylvania. And even locally, them on the sharing platform with me and them things. So, Maestro Dan has just forever been growing and progressing. And I stay out of mix.
So, hold on, I had mentioned about Egyptian there. That's when you find the collaboration with Diani.
Diani, yes. Senorita, yeah. See you the first time, me, I forget you.
What have changed though since Senorita though? Like, the whole concept of you. Because, as I said, at one time, you know, the young performance
be
part.
A freestyle and Senorita just give me a wider, more mature outlook on how me look on things. Me I do more female orientated music because me get to realize that the female them support the most and them actually spend the money and them are the loyalist set of fans them. Yeah, so the woman them make you feel like artists and them things. So ever since Senorita, me used to do other girl song cause the first song where you say you know me for and You Are My Girl. So it just made me go back to the drawing board and know say alright, this is it. Artist thing, it real, stay out a mix up, stay out a problem.
Alright, for those the gangster part and those woman focus on the female.
Yeah, no, the gangster thing and the hardcore thing.
You get me I say?
Man,
and it's like when you sing for the females and work with it more.
Yes.
So why not stay on that part?
And that, basically that, straightforward.
Them call me the president. Something like that, but this song come on and make it thing turn up.
Yeah, but song still not kinda controversial in a sense. Get a president.
Get a president, yeah.
Something like Dodos.
Yeah man, make it thing turn up man.
So, I don't know, that's not what inspired upon a song though.
Alright, as a youth, growing up, as I said, I used to go Kingston College, so over there town, the whole incursion, the whole of them thing there. We in the surroundings, we not in a Tivoli Garden, but we downtown and you did have a thing in a school where every time somebody make a talk, I think it's a teacher did start it, you know, like you make all a rude talk or a tough talk. I say, wait, are you name Dodos?
Oh, okay.
You understand? And we grew up and get to understand, so them call him the president for down this, and then the meaning for president is you govern a certain place and he's a leader. So as a youth from the garrison, Waterford, Portmore, I been see myself as a leader, you see me? And he's a president for my garrison because we lift the scheme one type of way and we make people proud, big people, young, we inspire young people, we inspire artists who are younger than we from the scheme for one to do what we do musically. So, I see myself as a president. Them call me the president.
So talk about tomorrow now, like, you know, we have that EP, you know, out there and, you know, people I'm loving it. So talk to me.
So tomorrow the EP, that is my third official EP. Recently released 7-track, mainly aim at the females. But you don't know, we have some, because I tell them say all purpose like seasoning. So we have all kind of song, we have conscious song, we have hardcore song. But as I stated earlier, catering for the females. So tomorrow is actually the name of a single that is on the EP, the leading track.
She love the style.
So you mentioned say it's a more soft tone EP, most in the females. And
Yes.
you mentioned earlier that, you know, so females actually stay with the catalog, them actually promote the music.
Them are loyalists, yeah.
So you think going on to the future, and females will check out Maestro?
Yeah man, strictly. The woman them, I say it already, them support me, so moving forward, you don't know, we still have some conscious song or some ghetto life story for the youth them we can relate, because we live the life, we know the struggles, we know hardship, we know boy things, you understand, when boy and boy are ramp or fight or whatever, so we know the upbringing, so I go do the music the way the ones them can still relate to, you understand, but it's not more killer black man or hurt your brother type of music. It's more like the struggles we've been through and how we can get out type.
What do you think hold back some of your songs? Because when you say your catalogs, you have a lot of good songs. But yet, you know see them on the trending at times, or you see them on a certain level.
And them get a promotion with them fair again.
Because I'm not really sure nobody still, but whenever song I like name Pressure Wing 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 with us. Bees Hive and people say, run with the song, I'm gonna sing about breadfruit, and it catches, as I said.
Yes.
Less people work with less.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
have
yeah.
songs like, you know, we put us some good song. You ever sing with the same Stardal?
Starface.
Starface.
Yeah, man.
And it was a good song. I was like,
and I want to tell you, say that song, they both are foreign. It probably leave a boss a yard, but at I song when I say, bring out the sitting for me now.
Yeah.
Da 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 da. Big song, man, in I tri-state area. Foreign, I go see that man, New Jersey. Alright, that song, they win clash in England. Not dub plate, you know. The 45 win clash. Anyway, so that for say, we do the music and we see certain things where the song them when you state where buzz, me call them buzz, and that I go on from before me
but
think for the music. You understand?
Yeah.
So the people them love them something there, and there's a space for that in a dancehall, but it doesn't last. My music them when me been aim for do and I say about 3 of my songs them I do that now is music where everlasting, classic. Something where 5 years, 6, 7 years from now, so you still can listen to it and it sound fresh. I don't pull no stun, I don't know how to do it.
So currently in dancehall right now, like, just give me a couple of you don't feel like do it right now, and a Maestro featuring them would be a good collab.
Pablo YG, bad artist, I don't know, Chronicler, my G, Massacre, my G, them more on a more mature level.
Yeah. And what's next for our Maestro right now?
Just greatness as usual, continue cementing my legacy, you understand, staying true to myself.
And last and final, Maestro, what makes Maestro and tomorrow intense?
Yeah, just listen away, you understand, listen to Tomorrow, the lyrics them, the message them, are some organic thing that makes sense, and what makes Maestro intense is just my personality. And what only me, one of me, them can't duplicate my personality.
Man, see music with substance I got lead, no matter what I try.
Yeah,
Maestro, next big thing in the music, check him out.
Near, yeah.
Lavish has this week's intense music video.
Why worry when John die? God on time, God on time. Why worry when John die? Just John die. We dey do this from box truck and marble, from rope a keeper we can't go. Yes, man, I say we will gather. You sing from your heart. Yeah, me get hurt from the past, but me walk with my scars and I aim for the stars, them. Yeah, me coulda go up in a task, but me hold it from me heart and me tell you very often.
That's it from us here tonight on Intense. We'll be back to our regular time next week, and of course the intensity will be high. Thanks to Roses Couture for making me pretty in pink tonight. They have new stock, so check them out at Roses Couture 1 on Instagram. Gotta shout out Soul G, happy belated birthday. He's my birthday twin. Until next time, I'm Talia. Keep living intense.
Free as a criminal.